Okay, we're here in the boiler room. It's an above-ground boiler room here at the abandoned Mount Laguna Air Force Station. Really dark here, so I only have a headlamp and the LED light on my Evo phone. There's those bells I was ringing earlier. Stripped out service panel. Storage tank. You got these boilers here. You definitely don't want to mess with that stuff. I'm pretty sure that's asbestos. Some ductwork that's been ripped out. Again, sorry for this being so dark, but it's just very dark in here, and I should pay attention where I'm walking. Okay, what's left of a bathroom, toilet seat. What was a toilet? Okay, paper towel dispenser. Got some nice cabinets here. Peeling paint. Acoustic tile, because this place was in operation. I'm sure it was pretty noisy. Sign here, you can't really hear, but it says some sort of notice. Rubber aprons, gloves, safety, face shields available. Use them when working with chemicals, yada yada. And there's a desk here, but no chair. It remains of an old 50s style fluorescent light. More acoustic ceiling tiles. There are no shot of cabinets, sink. Light switches are gone. Got some boiler control panels here. More boilers. Got a bunch of valves up there. Yeah, it's a little dark. I'm gonna have to get a brighter light for next time. Another boiler control panel. And it's kind of cool over here. Tool board. Tools are all long gone, of course. Workbench area. So this doesn't have a very long range light on it, so you're only going to see what's in the foreground. Some more peeling paint. And this time I'm going to watch where I'm stepping. Some footage here of this generator over here. One time this place had to supply its own power and everything before they had city power. Let's see. Nope, that won't work. Okay, time to do some photos.